Hi, so here I'm going to be showing you how you can invite a student into your classroom. So once you're logged in and already in your classroom as a teacher, you'll see on the top left corner of your screen a room name. So Koala generates random room names using just any random words. So once you notify your students what the room name is, when they go to, sign in, it's going to ask for their name, their email, and the room name. So all you're going to have to do is type in that room name, and then the students will appear into the classroom. You'll see their names come up on the right side, like it does here, um, as they join, and then they'll be able to interact with you in your classroom. And then all you have to do is make sure you enable your microphone, like I did here. And we're just going to go ahead and mess around with the web browser, so you can see how it works and just how you can teach off of it. I'm going to go ahead and search up the 4 seasons of the year. Um, and here we're going to click on this YouTube video. And yep, you can play any videos off the web browser. As you can see, just very straightforward. Just hit play. But now I'm going to search up penguins on the web browser. And yep, there's a good picture. And just so you can see how you can draw on the web browser, just hit the pen button. You can fix the thickness, you can choose the color, and you can just go ahead and circle anything, write anything you like. Here I'm going to circle around the beak. We're going to use the post-it note as well. All you have to do is hit the post-it note, hit the screen. It'll give you some small instructions on how to use the post-it note on the left here. And yeah, hope this helped.